It's Saturday, August 2nd. I'm looking at the Astro Excel sheet. This is the monthly plot for August. You can see the green line is dipping down to today here, and then it starts to make a pretty strong push to the upside. It actually breaks the plus 40 area and goes off the graph here. It's hitting the plus 42, plus 43 area, where it peaks out there and starts to come back down. Doesn't cross the 0 line until the 8th, and then it goes down all the way to the 9th, just about 1600 hours. From there we push back up, and then we bounce between the 10 lines until early morning of the 13th, and then we push back up strong through the 14th, and then we start to hover around the 20 line before we get the push down around 8 a.m. on the 18th, where it goes down to just about the plus 10 level. So still bullish in this period. Then we get a strong move up where we actually get back up to about plus 35 here. And then a sharp move to the downside into the end of the trading session on the 24th at minus 20. Then we're back up to the 20th, 26th, where we start to go sideways again around the plus 10, and then we break upward on the 28th, and we're in very bullish territory in the plus 30 area until the 30th, where it starts to move down for the last couple days of the month. So there is the quick look at the monthly movement. I'll do another video and show the zoomed in view of the first week of August.